Hi guys, I am Shomam Mukherjee. I'm an ex-student of Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology. So, I have with me today three of my classmates, Subroto Sarkar, Rashid Mehdi, and Saranya Naha Roy. So they had the three of them had participated in ICPC 2019 at IIT Kharagpur, and we are going to have a short discussion about how their journey went and how it all started. So so I would like to introduce Subroto, Rashid, and Sharno. So you three can have a short go at introductions.
Yes, so hello everyone. I am Subroto Sarkar, a ex-student of Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology from CSE department. Uh, so 2021 pass out. So I would like to pass on to my friends.
Hello everyone, this is Rashid Mehdi. As you can see, we all are from the same college as well as from the same stream. We are from computer science and engineering stream, and we just recently passed out in the year 2021. Uh, we tried for ICPC in 2 years, so 2018
This is
and
all about
2019.
their journey.
Yeah, and then Shanu, go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Saranya Naha Roy.
Okay. So the first question of the night is, what is ICPC? For a new guy who has no idea about ICPC, what are the information he should know before thinking about participating in the competition? So my question goes out to all three of you. Subroto can start. You can start.
Yeah, Shomo. Okay. So it's a really important question, and everyone should know the answer to why they're doing a thing. Right. So as for ICPC, ICPC stands for International Collegiate Programming Contest. So it's an world contest for competitive programming, if you would like to understand it that way. So all the top coders from all over the world come together to compete and find out who's the best from them. I would like my friends Rashid and Sarunu to add upon if they would like to add any points.
Yes, exactly. What Shobita said, it was good. It was that it is one of the most prestigious coding competition at the college level. So yeah, everyone tries for becoming the champion.
Yeah, Sharon, if you would like to add something.
If you love competitive programming, then ICPC really motivates you a lot, and it builds up your confidence. And before ICPC, you should be practicing in code courses and Codechef or other competitive programming platforms, as it is all about competitive programming, and they are the best places to prepare for it. And
Okay.
competitive programming really helps you in also in different areas of computer sciences.
Okay. Okay. So the next question is, what is the format of ICPC?
Yeah, so I would like Rashid to answer the question as you is most well
Yeah,
versed with
sure.
that.
First question.
Yeah. So like for the beginners or for the newbies who wanted to participate in ICPC, first I would say that first, yeah, yeah, you answer for the noobs. There are like many regionals are there. Okay, within a particular, the part of continent, yeah, they have divided into. So first you will have to go through an online round. Okay, as what it happens in India, okay, at the Kharagpur regionals. So what actually actually we have to go through the online rounds. Okay, that is organized by Codechef. At the next level, we get an invite. If we do well, we get an invite to the on-site round, which takes place in some regions. Okay, in some college, like for example, IIT KGP. Then other colleges are also there. So if we pass that one, like we come into top three, or the champion gets a chance to go to the final round, that is the world final, and it takes place in different locations. Means the location keeps varying year to year. So yeah, that is like the format of the ICPC.
Yeah, so I would like to add upon that. So basically, what happens is at first the contest is within, we have an online qualifier round. For that, the college is the level that you have to cross. So you have to top your college uh, for that level. Once you do go past the online qualifier, that is once you qualify for that, you get chance to register for an region. So we registered for Kharagpur region. After that, there happens an uh, country the again another round takes place at country level, and after that the world qualifier takes world finals takes place.
Okay.
So that
So about the next question. So what is the backstory to your formation of team?
yeah, Sharon, if you would
Uh,
say upon this.
sorry. Yes,
Sharno?
team formation, right?
Yeah.
So I think team members are from 3 to 4, I guess. One is extra member. So you can take an extra member, that is optional. Also, there is a coach, and our coach was a professor in our college, and we three participated. Me, Subrata, and Rashad participated.
Yeah,
And that's
so
it.
students from Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology will know him. So he's Professor Kingshuk Chatterjee. So he was our mentor. He helped a lot with the preparation of with algorithms and all. He provided materials and also guided us through the whole process. And it was a really wonderful journey with him.
Yes,
Yeah.
also from one college, multiple teams can participate, but not on the same region. That's the
Yeah,
limitation. That is, if one team is participating in Kharagpur region, another team from the college cannot participate in that.
I think
So
you mean like only one team can qualify for a one region. So like you have two teams from your college, suppose
You'll
let's
compete
say,
with your own.
then
Yeah.
as you
Yes.
have two regions, so you can
oh,
two
okay.
teams can choose different regions, and both of you qualify to the regionals. So that's one thing that you can keep in mind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
definitely.
being
Just
a small college in Kolkata, our college, so uh, there are perks if you just communicate with your batchmates and all.
Batchmates.
Yeah.
yeah, just to add on, like a mentor is compulsory in your team, so you have to have a professor from your college. And for the fourth member, it's an optional. You can have it, and you can't even have it. The thing is that like it's a substitution one. Like you have to like if any of your member becomes ill, then you can substitute him, but not like on the same day. You have to have a prior notice to them, then you can substitute before the competition.
Okay. So touching upon that, before going to ICPC for the actual on-site contest, what were your preparations? What were your CP ratings back then? And since you had already participated the year before that, what were your learnings from that failure?
I think that we started our competitive programming journey on 2017 from our first year. There used to be CP sessions held by our seniors in our college, and from that we started our competitive programming journey. And we at the beginning we usually used to participate in long contests which were held in Codechef, and then eventually we entered short contests, and for short contests we actually participated in code forces. That is a very good platform for short contests. And at first we cannot solve any problems at that little time it was very difficult to do, but eventually we reached a level where we can solve 2 to 3 problems at code process. And during the time of ICPC, uh, we were at 3 star in Codechef, and I forgot the code forces rating back then, but yes, those platforms really helps us in our competitive programming journey. And also there was a competition before ICPC which was Snackdown, and we participated in them, and
Codechef.
we did, yes, Codechef Snackdown, and we did really well there, and that really builds up the confidence of us. And then we participated in ICPC. We also participated in 2018 ICPC, but um, I think we were not so good then. But at 2019 we were confident. But the major problem was that the competition was held during our semester examination, the onset competition. So um, that really turns out to be a bad thing for us, because we did not concentrate on our competitive programming fully. So that was a setback.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, as you go through your college journey, there are some exams that do not need much preparation. So if you are lucky enough to get some exams like that during your time, or like if your exam is not during
Nearby.
the during the competition day, well, then you are really lucky, because it
December.
generally falls around December, right? So most of the students have their semester exams around then.
Yes.
Yeah,
But I will say go
from my
ahead.
side, yeah, definitely go ahead, because it's like one in a lifetime opportunity. From my side, I will just say code force, do as much as short contest as you can. Uh, after the contest, do solve every problem if you can. If not, it's okay. Some are very difficult, but try to solve as much as you can with your team members. Discuss, uh, then see the editorial. Try to solve it even after seeing the editorial by yourself. And one more dirty tips I will give you is that after the contest, try to see others code, other participants code. So like that will help you more in developing whatever language you are coding in. It will, make you more comfortable.
Yes, first try to solve the problem like in code forces. First, try to solve on live contest, because live contest there is a time constraint and it will really help you. So first try to solve the problem, and at the end of the contest, uh, see the unsolved ones and try to solve one by one that. And during solving, don't stuck for too long for one problem. Maximum give one problem 1 day or 1.5 days to try to solve on your own. And then if you can come up with a better algorithm for the problem that will solve the problem, you see the editorial and try to understand it from the editorial. And also, after reading the editorial, try to code it on your own. And as also Rashid suggested, see others code. I remember that when we used to code in C++, we were not actually at first familiar with different optimization tricks. And by seeing other codes, we actually learned that, like we generally use, um, sometimes we use scanf and printf instead of scene and cout to get some optimization there, like that.
Hello friends, so this is the end of part 1 of this video. I hope you really enjoyed the content, and if you did, don't forget to like, share the video. Also, we are working on part 2 of this video, which contains other tips and tricks, and will also contain the details of our journey to IIT KGP regionals. So keep tuned and subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notification when that video gets released. Bye bye. See you in the next part.